Hi students, the video I'm making is for your Tuesday, February 9th. Remember, you're not logging into Zoom. I'm gone today, but you are going to take attendance and you are going to open the agenda and go to Tuesday and do the work that I have given you there. So first take attendance, please, under Tuesday, February 9th, and then please open up week 3 agenda. You are then going to go to Tuesday's agenda, which is slide 3. And you're going to finish the explain section in task 1. So if you go click on task 1, it will take you to task 1, and you want to open up your Google Docs. So it's under Extreme Living. You're going to open Google Docs and you're going to finish the explain portion of your assignment, okay? Also, you can open up my notebook right here so that you can have a reference point, and if you need to go to it and see what you need to do, you could do that as well. You're going to scroll down, and you already did the explore part, and the agenda said you need to do explain. So let's scroll down to explain. You should have finished all of this. If you haven't finished it, you should probably try to finish it and make sense out of it too. It's a pretty long section. And now you're in the explain. We started the explain on Friday. Basically, you are making a model that describes what you have written for your friend. Please make sure that your model has the sun's rays there, and that we know that the sun's ray is more direct in the southern hemisphere where New Zealand is. That's why it is summer over there and warmer temperatures, whereas up on the northern hemisphere, the sun's ray is it takes longer for it to get there, and it spreads over a wider area, so it's cooler. And so you need to have a model here. You need to have an explanation here. Once you are done with this, and you should get it done Tuesday, is that you want to move under elaborate part. And the elaborate is also right in this document. And if you scroll down, you will basically have to record your writing that you wrote in the explain part. You're recording it in Flipgrid, so you're kind of reading off of that, making sure that it makes sense. And then you're going to post that recording. What did you explain to your friend about going to New Zealand? Is it a good idea? Is it a bad idea? Why is it a good idea? Basically, you're recording what you have written here in Flipgrid. Hopefully you'll take a look at my recording in Flipgrid. I have done my example. You need to talk about the rays. You need to talk about how it's stronger in the southern hemisphere. You need to say all of that to make sure that you understand. And that's what this part is, elaborate number 1. Elaborate number 2, you're going to go to the Flipgrid again. Now you're going to watch some of your classmates' responses. Hopefully there will be some responses. You're going to look at 2 people's response, and then after you watch it, right, and you give them feedback as a form of a video, then you're going to come in here and we're going to write in this box what feedback you gave them. Okay? After watching my classmates' video, I thought, tell me what you thought. What feedback did you give them? Maybe your feedback was, I'm not sure exactly what area is hotter, southern hemisphere or northern hemisphere. You want to give them a constructive feedback so that they see that and then they can make changes in their notebooks. Once you do this part, I think time will be up for Tuesday, and if you're not done, you're going to finish it on Wednesday. And the last thing you're going to answer is your final explanation. All this means is go back to the top here, see if everything makes sense. If it does, then you're good. And that's all you need to do for elaborate. So your elaborate is all about Flipgrid. You respond your response, and then you go and respond to 2 other classmates. And that will conclude your work for Tuesday, February 9th. And I will have another video for you guys in the stream so you know what you're doing then for Wednesday. See you later.